Oh, honey, today I'm taking your pecan pie straight to the clouds. Pecan Pie Cheesecake. Extra creamy base, sweet sticky pecan topping, a crust that tastes like a hug. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and grease an 8 or 9-inch springform pan with cooking spray. Let's do the filling first so it's silky smooth. Beat 3 blocks of softened cream cheese. Add 1 cup packed brown sugar. Beat until fluffy and no lumps. Add 3 eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined. 1 4-cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla, and a pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, of kosher salt. Mix until glossy. Don't overbeat or you'll invite cracks. Crust time. Finely crushed graham crackers, 5 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tier 4-cup brown sugar, and a pinch of kosher salt. Press that into your pan, bottom nice and even, a little up the sides for a cozy rim. Pour the filling over the crust. Wrap the bottom of your springform with foil so nothing leaks. Place it on a baking sheet. If you love a super creamy texture, nestle it in a larger pan and pour in hot water to come halfway up the sides. Hello, water bath. If not, no worries. It still bakes beautifully. Bake about 1 hour 30 minutes until the center has a slight jiggle like Jell-O at a church potluck. Turn the oven off, crack the door, and let it sit inside for 1 hour. Then refrigerate in the pan until fully set, at least 5 hours, or overnight if you can stand the wait. Before serving, let's make that pecan pie crown. In a non-stick skillet over low heat, melt 4 tablespoons butter with 1 2-cup packed brown sugar until it's bubbly and silky. Keep the heat low. Burnt butter is not today's flavor. Stir in 1 2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 4-cup heavy cream, 1 3/4 cups pecans, whole 1 3/4 cups pecans, chopped, and a pinch of kosher salt. Toss to coat every nook and cranny. Take it off the heat and let it cool to thicken slightly. You can make it up to an hour ahead. Just don't refrigerate or the butter will firm up. Release your cheesecake, spoon that glossy pecan topping over the top, and y'all, that first slice is holiday magic. Creamy, nutty, caramelly with just enough crunch. Serve and enjoy. See the full recipe and the backstory in the description. If you loved this, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Tag our Cray Star Flavor King so they don't miss dessert. Now grab a fork and treat yourself, sugar. You earned it.